So I'm running through MYP5 Unit 1. There's all the IB stuff, concepts, contexts, etc., inquiry questions. Pause the screen if you're missing those, but we'll move on with the actual content. So list of contents, and it's going to be divided up so that each on that list of contents corresponds to a video. So these are going to be a lot of quite short videos just recapping on stuff. So the first recap is multiplying and dividing powers of the same number. So for example, 4 to the 2 times 4 to the 3. So if you write that out long ways, you can see that's the same as 4 times 4 times 4 times 4 times 4, which you can write without the brackets as just 4 times 4 times 4 times 4 times 4, or in other words, 4 to the power of 5. So general rule, if you're multiplying powers of the same thing, then add the powers. X to the a times x to the b equals x to the a plus b. For example, 4 to the power of 2 times 4 to the power of 3 is 4 to the power of 5, because 2 plus 3 makes 5. Similar rule for dividing. 17 to the power of 6 divided by 17 to the power of 2. So again, you can write that out long ways. 17 times 17 times 17 times 17 times 17 times 17 divided by 17 times 17. And then a couple of the 17s, top and bottom, cancel each other out, leaving you just with 17 times 17 times 17 times 17 on the top, which is the same as 17 to the power of 4. So general rule, dividing powers of the same thing, subtract the powers, using notation. X to the a divided by x to the b equals x to the a minus b. For example, 17 to the power of 6 divided by 17 to the power of 2 is 17 to the power of 4. So subtract the powers. You might make the mistake of dividing the powers and getting 3. 6 divided by 2. And in my notes I always use an example where the powers do divide by each other, just to draw your attention to the fact that dividing them would be the wrong thing to do. So subtract the powers. 17 to the 6 divided by 17 to the 2 is 17 to the 4, because 6 minus 2 gives you the 4.